One of the types of text that you can use inside of VistaCreate is photo text. So to do that, you need to click on the text right here, and then over here you can see that photo text is an option. If you were to click on photo text, then photo text is added in. So if you were to go around and double click, you can go around and then edit it according to how you want. So you can double click, you can select the text, and then let's say, for example, type in tube right here. So if you were to click outside, now you can see the photo inside of the text right here. So as with any other text, you can go around and resize and place it wherever you want. But for the photo text, you can go around over here and go to filters, as you can see right here, and work around with the filter option just like you would work around with the photo as well. But what about changing out the photo right here? So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, the text right here, if I were to go around and select it, then you can see that crop is an option, and you can see a photo right here just like this. If I were to click on release mask, you can see that this is a photo right here, and the text does not have photo anymore. Let me just go around and delete this text right here, and then go around onto photos. You can bring in any photo of your choice and click and drag it out onto the text right here, and that photo is there right here. So the text right here acts as a mask, as you can see right here, and then that is how photo text works out. And that is how you can work around with photo text inside of VistaCreate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.